In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to flush your cooling system. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure to refill your cooling system with coolant. Now, what I'm going to do is hook the other end of my hose up to the T. We're going to use the method of displacement. The reason why I'm putting this hose on here is I'm going to run it into another bucket. What's going to happen is that the system is full of very diluted coolant and water. So what we're going to do is add straight coolant into the radiator, and the weight of that straight coolant is going to displace the diluted coolant and water from inside the engine. You put the hose on to capture that, just being environmentally friendly. You're going to want to get your vehicle's owner's manual and actually do the math. See what the fluid capacity is for your radiator system. If it's 2 gallons, you're going to have 2 gallons of water in here. So you're going to have to add a whole gallon of water or of coolant to get your 50-50 mix. If you're in a northern state, I would suggest getting a 70% mix. You're going to want to add a little more. So like I said, refer to your owner's manual to see exactly what the fluid capacity is. So go ahead and take and add coolant to it now. Got a funnel here. All right, that's my gallon there. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more just because I live in a northern state and I want to achieve the maximum freeze protection. That is the proper way to displace the diluted coolant and water out of your system and to fill it back up with the appropriate mixture. Now if you use 50-50 mix, you're going to have to displace the entire fluid capacity of the system. That's why I like to use the straight coolant, the 100%.